Vänta. Hello everyone, this is Håkon. Trying to get away. My name is Axel.
And I'm Jackie.
We're gonna show you a video today of just a regular week at the farm where nothing really happens. We've been waiting for lambs for 2 weeks, but still no lambs. Yeah.
So let's get started.
Godnatt. One of the ewes is only 1 year old. Was trying to give birth to a lamb, and the lamb was completely the wrong way around. And me and Jackie tried to save her. We gave her a lot of time to sort it out herself, but after a while we have to go in with gloves and try to see if we can get the lamb out. But unfortunately the lamb came out really the wrong way. The ewe didn't really make it. We gave her a while and to see if she would perk up, but she had a hard time standing up and she didn't want to eat the day after. So then, so that's why we're here. Okay, that's it, finished. Hello gang. So I open this up so they can just eat how much they want. My stomach is kind of fallen down. I think she's gonna lamb now, because you can see her waist, right? A bit.
Mm.
Exciting. I think I'm gonna get the farmer to cut a larger part of the field. I'm just gonna go through it to make sure that there's no rocks there. In Leksand, we eat hard bread. I'm so artsy. So now I have collected most of the trees that I've cut down. I hope that one day I can buy a quad bike, because it takes a little bit too much time to carry them out log by log.